In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a project to a client or team workspace in Webflow. To get started, log into your Webflow account and head to your dashboard. This is where all of your projects are listed. So take a moment to locate the specific project you want to transfer. Make sure you've selected the correct one before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple sites for different clients or teams. Once you've found the project, hover your mouse over the project thumbnail. You will see a three-dot menu icon appear. Click that icon to open the project options from the drop-down menu. Choose the transfer option. This will open the transfer settings and let you decide where the project should go. At this point, Webflow gives you two transfer options. You can transfer the project to a user or you can transfer it to a workspace. The option you choose depends on who should receive ownership or access to the project. If you are transferring to a user, carefully type the email address that the recipient uses to log in to their Webflow account. Accuracy matters here because the transfer invitation will be sent to that exact account. If the email doesn't match their Webflow login, they may not be able to receive the project properly. If you are transferring to a workspace instead, select the appropriate workspace you want to send the project to. This is useful if the project needs to be managed by a team rather than an individual user. Just make sure you choose the correct workspace before continuing. After you've selected either the user or the workspace, carefully confirm the details you entered. Then click Transfer. Webflow will send an invitation email to the recipient and they will need to log in and accept the incoming transfer before the process is completed. Here is one important thing to keep in mind during this stage. Once the transfer request has been sent, the project will be locked in your dashboard. That means you won't be able to edit it while the transfer is pending. The project stays locked until the recipient accepts the transfer, declines it, or you cancel the transfer request yourself. So if you still need to make final changes, it's a good idea to do that before sending the transfer. And that's it. Thanks for watching.